Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about smartphones of 2026, the all-new 14PROMA X smartphone unlocked cell phone. This device has already caught the attention of tech lovers around the world because of its massive 6,800 mAh battery, giant 6.82-inch HD display, and the promise of flagship-level performance at an incredibly attractive price. So, let's explore what makes the 14PROMA X such an exciting release and whether it truly lives up to the hype. The first thing you'll notice about the 14PROMA X is its stunning design. It carries a modern aesthetic with ultra-thin bezels, a sleek metallic frame, and a glossy gradient finish that gives it a premium flagship vibe. The 6.82-inch HD Plus display is vibrant and crisp, delivering immersive colors whether you're watching movies, gaming, or scrolling through your social feeds. The large screen is perfect for multitasking and media lovers, offering a cinematic experience in your hand. Despite its big size, the phone feels surprisingly comfortable to hold, with smooth edges and a balanced weight that gives it a premium yet practical touch. Now, let's talk performance. The 14PROMA X is powered by an advanced octa-core processor paired with high-speed RAM that ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast app launches. Whether you're switching between apps, editing photos, or playing high-graphic games, the device doesn't slow down or lag. This phone is built for modern power users who expect reliability and speed from their smartphone. And being an unlocked device, it gives you full freedom to use any carrier worldwide. No restrictions, no limitations, just pure flexibility. The camera system is another highlight that adds to its charm. The 14PROMA X is equipped with a powerful 64-megapixels AI triple camera setup that captures photos with incredible detail and clarity. The AI enhancement intelligently adjusts lighting and focus to ensure every shot looks professional, even in challenging environments. The front camera, designed for selfie lovers, produces sharp, vibrant images and works great for video calls or live streaming. From portrait shots to wide-angle landscapes, the camera performance of this phone is far beyond what you'd expect at its price point. But the real showstopper here is the massive 6,800 mAh battery. With that kind of capacity, you can easily get through 2 full days of heavy usage without worrying about recharging. Whether it's gaming, watching videos, or staying connected on social media, the 14PROMA X delivers long-lasting endurance. It also supports fast charging, which means you can top it up quickly and get back to what you love doing most. This feature alone makes it a perfect companion for travelers, vloggers, or anyone who's always on the go. The 14PROMA X also focuses on user experience with its clean, intuitive interface built on the latest Android system. The software is optimized to run smoothly, offering useful features like smart gesture control, split-screen multitasking, and dark mode customization. The device also includes all the essentials: fingerprint unlock, Face ID recognition, and dual SIM support, ensuring convenience and security for every user. When it comes to connectivity, the 14PROMA X leaves nothing behind. It supports 5G network compatibility, providing blazing fast download and streaming speeds. The audio quality is crisp, and the speaker output delivers clear, rich sound, perfect for entertainment lovers. Plus, the internal storage options are generous, allowing you to store thousands of photos, videos, and apps without ever worrying about running out of space. In short, the 14PROMA X is more than just another smartphone, it's a powerhouse designed for real-world performance. It combines beauty, battery power, and speed in one sleek package. The large display makes it great for multimedia lovers, the cameras are impressive for creative users, and the massive battery ensures you stay powered up all day long. For anyone looking for a premium experience without paying a flagship price, the 14PROMA X is a true game changer. So, if you're ready to upgrade your mobile experience in